In this video, we are going to discuss about the molecular formula formation. This is the part 2 of molecular formula formation. In last video, we discussed about the just like of sodium chloride. Now we are going to discuss about the some next kind of ions, just like of ammonium. What is ammonium? Ammonium means ammonia, but it contains IUM, and the IUM is used for the cations. How the ammonia is formed? What is the formula of ammonia? The formula of ammonia is NH3. And when any acid means H positive attack on NH3, then it gives NH4 positive. The lone pair of electron H positive attack on N and it create NH4 positive. It is known as ammonium. It is known as ammonium. So what is ammonium ion? When ammonia contain an extra H positive ion, it is known as ammonium ion. It is known as ammonium ion. Now we are going to discuss about the molecular formulas of ammonium. Just like of ammonium chloride. What is ammonium? NH4 positive. And what is chloride? That is Cl negative. What is the valency of ammonium? 1. What is the valency of chloride? That is also 1. Valencies are cross transferred. It gives the molecular formula NH4Cl. Then what is the molecular formula of ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. Okay. Next. Ammonium bromide. Ammonium bromide. What is the formula of ammonium? It is NH4 positive. And what is bromide? Ide means negative. Br negative. When bromine contain one negative charge, it is known as bromide. What is valency of ammonium? It is 1. What is the valency of bromide? It is also 1. The valencies are cross transferred and the formula became NH4Br. What is the formula? NH4Br. Okay. Next one. Ammonium iodide. What is ammonium iodide? Ammonium NH4 positive. Iodide I negative. Iodide I negative. What is the valency of ammonium? 1. What is the valency of iodide? It is also 1. Valencies are cross transferred. Then the formula is NH4I. What is the formula of ammonium iodide is NH4I. Next one. Ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate. What is the formula of ammonium? NH4 positive. And what is the formula of carbonate? Carbonate is CO3 minus 2. Carbonate is CO3 minus 2. Valency is 1 and valency of carbonate is 2. Valencies are cross transferred. The formula become NH4 whole twice NH4 whole twice CO3. The formula of ammonium carbonate is NH4 whole twice CO3. Next one is ammonium oxalate. What is the formula of ammonium? It is NH4 positive. What is oxalate? It is C2O4 minus 2. Formula of ammonium is NH4 positive and oxalate is C2O4 double negative. Valency of ammonium is 1 and oxalate is 2. Valencies are cross transferred and it becomes NH4 whole twice C2O4. Okay. These are the some formulas of ammonium. Now we are going to discuss some difficult anions, just like of chromate. Just like of chromate. What is the formula of chromate? Formula of chromate is CrO4 double negative. What is the formula of chromate? CrO4 double negative. Next one is dichromate. When two chromates are attached, then one oxygen is replaced and the formula becomes Cr2O7 dual negative. Formula of chromate is chromate Cr, chromium to chromate Cr, and with oxygen it becomes chromate. Maximum valency for chromate, the formula is CrO4 double negative, and for dichromate Cr2O7 double negative. Next one is magnate. Next one is magnate. Formula of magnate is MnO4 dual negative. Formula of magnate is MnO4 dual negative. Permanganate. What is the formula of permanganate? That is MnO4 negative. When the word per is used, the oxygen number is increased. Magnate and permanganate, two anions of manganese are magnate and permanganate. Magnate is MnO4 double negative, and for permanganate formula is MnO4 negative. Now we are going to discuss about the anions of chloride. It creates 4 oxide anions, just like of Cl negative, ClO negative, ClO2 negative, ClO3 negative and ClO4 negative. Halogen create 4 kind of oxide anions. Then what are the names of these ions? For minimum we use 8 and for maximum we use 8. It produces 4 kind of ions. Then what will be the name of them? What is the name of Cl negative? You all know. its name is chloride. Its name is chloride. When it creates four kind of ions, then we select these two anions, ClO2 negative and ClO3 negative. What is the name of ClO2 negative and ClO3 negative? The name of ClO2 negative is ended with ite. Its name is chloride. Its name is chloride. What is the name of ClO2 negative? Its name is chloride. What is the name of ClO3 negative? Its name is chlorate. Its name of ClO2 negative is chloride and ClO3 negative is chlorate. Then what is the name of ClO negative? It is used for minimum, and ClO negative have more minimum oxygen than the chloride. Then there are two words, hypo and hyper. Hypo for minimum and hyper for maximum. Hypo for minimum and hyper for maximum. Then name of ClO negative is hypochlorite. What is the name of ClO negative? Its name is hypochlorite. Cl negative, chloride. ClO negative, hypochlorite. ClO2 negative, chloride. ClO3 negative, chlorate. And what is the name of ClO4 negative? Maximum number of oxygen 8, ClO3 negative, and 1 oxygen is more in ClO4 negative. Then its name become perchlorate. What is the name? Perchlorate. ClO negative, hypochlorite. ClO2 negative, chloride. ClO3 negative, chlorate. And ClO4 negative, its name is perchlorate. What is the name? Perchlorate. Okay. These are the anions, oxide anions of halogens. Next one, just like of Br negative, you all know. Its name is bromide. It is a halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine. It also produces four kind of anions, just like of BrO negative, BrO2 negative, BrO3 negative, and BrO4 negative. So just like of last, what is the name of BrO2 negative? Its name is bromide. What is the name of BrO2 negative? Its name is bromide. BrO3 negative, its name is bromate. For BrO negative, what is the name? For minimum, it is used hypo. Bromide. BrO negative, hypobromite. BrO2 negative, bromite. BrO3 negative, bromate. And BrO4 negative, its name is perbromate. Okay. BrO negative, hypobromite. BrO2 negative, bromite. BrO3 negative, bromate. And BrO4 negative, its name is perbromate. Now for iodine, I negative, IO negative, IO2 negative, IO3 negative and IO4 negative, just same. What is the name of I negative? Iodide. For IO negative, what is the name? Hypoiodite. IO2 negative, iodite. IO3 negative, iodate. And IO4 negative, its name is periodate. Okay, just like of chloride, bromide and iodide. For chlorine, bromine and iodine, naming is same. For these two, we use ite and it. For IO2 negative, we use ite, iodite, and for IO3 negative, we use it, iodate. But the number of oxygen are minimum than the IO2 negative. Then what is the name of IO negative? The word is used hypo, minimum to minimum, hypoiodite. And for IO4 negative, periodate, maximum. Hyper, the term hyper is not used, and the term is used periodate. Now we are going to produce some kind of formulas with you by using these names, just like of, or by these anions, just like of sodium, chlorate, sodium chlorate, sodium Na positive. What is the formula of chlorate? What is the formula of chlorate? The formula of chlorate is ClO3 negative. Valency of Na is 1 and chlorate is also 1. Valencies are cross transfer and the formula is NaClO3. Formula is NaClO3. Next, potassium magnate. Potassium K positive. What is magnate? MnO4 dual negative. Its valency is 1 and its valency is 2. Then valencies are cross transferred and the formula is K2 MnO4. The formula is K2 MnO4. Okay. Now ammonium chromate. Ammonium chromate. What is ammonium? Ammonium is NH4 positive. Ammonium chromate. Ammonium chromate. Ammonium is NH4 positive and chromate is CrO4 double negative. Its valency is 1 and its valency is 2. Valencies are cross transferred and the formula is NH4 whole twice CrO4. The formula is NH4 whole twice CrO4. The formula of ammonium chromate is NH4 whole twice CrO4. Next, ammonium dichromate. Ammonium NH4 positive and dichromate Cr2O7 double negative. 1, 2. Valencies are cross transferred. The formula is NH4 whole twice Cr2O7. What is formula? NH4 whole twice Cr2O7. Ammonium dichromate. Ammonium dichromate. NH4 whole twice Cr2O7. Now we are going to discuss about the molecular formulas of acids, just like of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. You all know the formula of hydrochloric acid. What is the means of acid? The means of acid is H positive. The means of acid is H positive. So for the when the term acid is used, we note down H positive and then hydrochloric. The chloric term is used here for Cl negative. Hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid. The valency is 1 and its valency is also 1 and the valencies are cross transferred and the formula is HCl. The formula is HCl. Okay. Now hydrobromic acid. Acid is H positive and hydrobromic is Br negative. Bromic for Br negative. Valencies are 1 and 1. Then valencies are cross transferred and the formula is HBr. Okay. Next one. Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. And now what is carbonic? At first for acid H positive. And what is carbonic? What is carbonic? When in any name acid is used and the further part or forward part is ended with ic, then when it is ended with ic, then when it is used as anion, its name was ended with ate, means the relation of ic with ate and us with ite. Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. Ic for ate, us for ite. Then what is the name? Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. Acid is H positive. Acid is H positive. And carbonic. What is carbonic? Ic for ate. Replace ic with ate. Carbo, ic replace with ate. It is carbonate. Then what is the means of carbonic is CO3 double negative. When anion is written in forward in any name, then ic is replaced with ate and us is replaced with ite. HCO, then its valency is 1 and its valency is 2. Valencies are cross transferred. What is the formula? H2CO3. Formula is H2CO3. Carbonic acid. The formula is H2CO3. Next one. sulfurous acid. Acid is H positive. And sulfurous. What is sulfurous? Us is replaced with ite. Means sulfurite. Yes, okay, yes, or sulfite. Sulfurous, it is named as sulfite. H positive, its valency is 1 and its valency is 2. Valencies are cross transferred. Now the formula is H2SO3. Sulfurous acid. The formula is H2SO3. Now sulfuric acid. Ik is replaced with 8. Acid is H positive. Sulfuric. Ik is replaced with 8. What is the formula of sulfate? The formula is sulfate is SO4 minus 2. Valency is 1 and its valency is 2. Now the valencies are cross transferred. The formula is H2SO4. Now the formula is H2SO4. The formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Next one. Hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid. Acid means H positive. Us means ite. Us means ite. Hypochlorite. What was the formula of hypochlorite? The formula was ClO negative. Its valency is 1 and its valency is also 1. Valencies are cross transferred and the formula is HClO. The formula of hypochlorous acid is HClO. Okay. Next one. Chlorous acid. Next one is chlorous acid. Acid is H positive. And what is chlorous? Chlorous means chloride. ClO2 negative. What is the formula? Its valency is 1 and its valency is also 1. Valencies are cross transferred. Then the formula is HClO2. Formula is HClO2 of chlorous acid. Next. Chloric acid. Next one is chloric acid. Acid is H positive. And what is chloric? Chloric, it means 8. Chlorate. What was the formula of chlorate? ClO3 negative. Valency is 1 and its valency is also 1. Valencies are cross transferred. Then the formula is HClO3. It is chloric acid. Next. Perchloric acid. Next one is perchloric acid. What is perchloric acid? Acid means H positive and perchloric. Cl. Perchloric means perchlorate. It means ClO4 negative. It is 1. It is also 1. The valencies are cross transferred. Then formula is HClO4. Now we are going to discuss about some anions, some acids of organic or some organic acids, just like of acetic acid, just like of acetic acid. What is the formula of acetic acid? Acid means H positive. Ic means 8, acetic. So ic means 8. It means acetate. What is the formula of acetate? CH3COO negative. CH3COO negative. Valency of H is 1 and its valency is also 1. Valencies are cross transfer. Then what is the formula? Formula becomes HCH3COO. But it is not seeming good. So for organic acids, we use H behind the anion. In only organic compounds, in only organic acids or compound, cation is used behind the anion. Okay? Because H is not seeming good with CH3. So H is replaced and it is used behind the anion. Okay? Next one. Formic acid. Next one is formic acid. Acid is H positive. Formic is ic is replaced with 8. What is the formula of 8 formate? HCOO negative. H positive and formate is HCOO negative. 1 1. Now you see, if you write the formula HCOO, how is it seeming? Okay, so its name is written as HCOOH. Its name is written like this, HCOOH. Okay, these are the nomenclature, these are the formulas of acids. Okay, so we have completed the topic molecular formula formation.